Third main, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. Seventh question, what are the reactants used and products released in the photosynthesis process? Answer, photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their required energy by converting light energy into chemical energy. During this process, plants take in substances from outside or carbon dioxide, water and convert them into stored energy as carbohydrate or starch and release oxygen and water in the atmosphere. It takes place in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. As I am written the reaction on the board, the reactants which are present left hand side of the arrow marks are carbon dioxide, water. The product which is written right hand side of the arrow mark, that is glucose, oxygen and water. Hence, the reactants are carbon dioxide and water. Products are glucose, oxygen, water. Eighth question, draw a diagram showing the reaction of concentrated sulfuric acid on zinc pieces and the hydrogen gas released by combustion and identify the parts. Students, for this question, for the eighth question, you should refer the science textbook, page number 19, figure 2.1. Reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning. Ninth question, write 2 functions of guard cells in stomata. Where are the guard cells are present? Students, guard cells are present in stomata. Which are stomata? You already studied in 9th standard. Then what is the main of these stomata? Which are the stomatas? Stomatas are tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Massive amount of gaseous exchange takes place in the leaves through these pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. But it is important to note here that exchange of gases occurs across the surface of stems, roots, leaves as well, since the large amount of water can also be lost through these stomata. The plant closes these pores when it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. The opening and closing of the pore functions of guard cells. The guard cells swell when the water flows into them, causing the stomata pore to open. Similarly, the pore closes if the guard cells shrinks. These guard cells play a very important role in the stomata for closing and opening of the stomatal pores. Let us see the exact answer for this. For the 9th question, 2 functions of guard cells. The guard cells surround each stoma for their protection. They are the cells that regulate the rate of transpiration by opening and closing of stomata. The guard cells swells up, open the stomata for exchange of gases when the plant has an excess of water. Next, 4th main, answer the following questions in 3 or 4 sentences. In that first 10th A question, when a student suffering from dental problems goes to the dentist, the doctor advises him to brush his teeth after dinner using toothpaste. What are your reasons for this advice? Dear students, before knowing this answer, let us recall which you have studied in the regular classes, the importance of pH in everyday life. The pH, if the pH changes, it causes the tooth decay. If the pH of mouth will changes, it causes the tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. It is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve water but is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5. Second thing, bacteria present in the mouth produces acid by degradation of sugar, and food particles remains in the food after eating, especially during night time. The best way to prevent this to clean the mouth after eating food using toothpaste, which is generally basic. The cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess acid and prevent the tooth decay. Let us see the exact answer for the 10th A. The doctor advises students to brush his teeth after dinner with toothpaste to help prevent tooth decay and strengthen the tooth enamel. Tooth decay starts when pH of mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. It is hardest substance but is corroded when the pH in the mouth below 5.5. The best way to prevent this by using toothpaste, which is generally basic. For cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess acid and prevent the tooth decay. Hence, the two main reasons for the doctor's advices are to maintain the pH value, that is 5.5 in the mouth, to reduce the risk of tooth decay or cavities and other dental problems. Second, 10th B question, which is the most commonly used base to neutralizes excess acid produced in the stomach? Dear students, it is very interesting to know that our stomach produces acid, that is hydrochloric acid. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, stomach produces too much acid. This causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, we are using bases called antacids. These antacids neutralize the excess acid. Even milk of magnesia, a mild base, is often used for these purposes. See the exact answer for the 10th B question. Answer is antacids, milk of magnesia, a mild base, is often used for neutralize the excess of acid produced in the stomach.